Okay, we just added about a half a box of Fruit Loops right into our bowl. Now we're gonna add some delicious Fruity Pebbles. I'm gonna add about a half a box of Fruity Pebbles. Oh, look at those colors. They look fantastic. Okay, now sticking with the colorful theme, we have some fruity marshmallows, and I'm gonna stick about a half or so a bag of marshmallows. You can choose based on, how marshmallowy you want it.
Ooh.
Okay, now check this out. I have 20 ounces of delicious white chocolate. Look at how creamy and amazing that looks, you guys. We have like cereal and white chocolate. It's like reminding me of like a cereal and like a milk, right? Easy, no bake treat here we got going on. So we are just gonna put all of this white chocolate right in with the cereal. We got the Fruit Loops, the Fruity Pebbles, and those yummy marshmallows. I like to go with the Ghirardelli white melting chocolate, but you choose. Maybe you want to use the regular chips, and you like to take the regular chips and you put the coconut oil in with them, which if you do that, how much coconut oil do you normally use when you're mixing them with a bag of those chips? I want to know because I seem to always mess that part up. Okay, so you guys can see I'm just mixing this all together. Look at how delicious and colorful that looks with the marshmallows and the Fruity Pebbles and those Fruit Loops. Oh, this looks so good. This treat is going to be amazing. All right, look at that. It looks like everything is mixed together, and I love the cereal, the colors, the fruitiness, along with the white chocolate. Now we're just gonna take our ice cream scooper here, and whatever you wanna use is fine. We're gonna get ourselves a hearty scoopful. We're just gonna come right over here and put it onto our baking sheet. Now it might kind of fall apart a little bit at first, but don't worry, because as soon as that white chocolate starts to harden up, everything's gonna stick together. It's gonna be almost like it's like a twist on a chocolate bark, right? So we're making a little cluster of a chocolate bark, and we are using cereal and white chocolate and putting some marshmallows in there. So we're just kind of switching it up just a little bit. Let me see if I can fit one more on here. So that's all we're gonna do, you guys. We're gonna go through and we are just gonna fill up our little drying rack with these delicious cereal no-bake treats. These look so good. I cannot wait to sink my teeth into them. Oh my goodness, how easy was that, you guys? I'm gonna pop these in the fridge because I want to cut down their drying time so they harden up really quick, because I wanna bite into these. I wanna show you how crispy, crunchy, and creamy from the white chocolate. Oh, these are a hit. Look at how cute those look. Oh, you know what? I just popped them in the fridge for like, I don't even know, maybe 5 minutes. And check this out. Look, I can pick it right up. It's all stuck together. Just a little bit of white chocolate, that's all it needed. We have our cereal and milk right here. Oh yeah. All those things. The Fruit Loops. I love that the Fruity Pebbles are so tiny. They just kind of fit in there with the Fruit Loop. The marshmallows get a fun added touch. It's like, who doesn't love marshmallows in their cereal? And then white chocolate instead of milk. This is like a whole cereal bar here, although I probably wouldn't recommend to eat it for breakfast. It will be great any other time of the day, or maybe a good kickstart in the morning. All right, you guys, let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you would add anything else. Take it away. Oh, I love these delicious treats. I think they would be so good for summer and spring, of course. Enjoy. See you guys later.